Today's four-letter word is going to be T-R-I-M. It's the biggest headache on a car, especially whenever it gets dull. But today I have a solution for you guys using our brand new Rapid Black Trim Protect and Restore. It's going to rejuvenate all dull, neglected plastics back to looking brand new. So like this, whether you drive an off-road car or a daily driven car, it does not matter. This dressing is going to rejuvenate all dull, neglected plastic back to looking brand new. Let me show you how to use it. All right, guys, so let me just give you guys a quick backstory. What ends up happening to plastic pieces over time? Your car is brand new, you drive it off the dealership, you forget to protect it, and over time, you obviously park your car outside, it's not garage kept, you go through harsh weather, it could be salt, it could be just harmful UV rays, it could be rain, and so many different types of weather elements, and over time, it starts discolorating the trim. Now, there's going to be a right way to protect it and a wrong way, as simple as that sounds. The right way to protect it is going to be using a durable protectant like a Rapid Black. That one's going to rejuvenate all plastic pieces back to looking brand new. But before you get into the application of the Rapid Black, you do need to go ahead and prep the surface and make sure you remove any existing dressing that has already been applied to the plastic. Over time, the owner might have applied a dressing, didn't prep it properly. So for my peace of mind, I am going to start cleaning up using my Nonsense Super Cleaner. Now, Nonsense Super Cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner that can be used everywhere. It just depends how you dilute it. In this occasion, I'm gonna use it straight out of the bottle because I want the most clean properties ever. Now, I do have my bucket here. I am gonna move this off to the side. I will be starting by spraying my Nonsense Super Cleaner directly onto the trim. Now, this cleaner is just intended to clean. Obviously, whenever liquid does land on plastic, it does make it look a little bit darker, but it does not protect it or restore it. So Nonsense Super Cleaner is going to help me remove all existing coatings or dressings that has been applied to this plastic piece. Now, whenever you start scrubbing Nonsense back and forth, you can start seeing that tons of foam starts foaming. Now, that's one thing I really do want, especially on trim pieces, because on raw, dull trim pieces or any type of trim pieces, if you scratch it, unfortunately, you're ashed out. You need to go ahead and replace that trim, but by having high lubricity, it's going to allow you to not only clean up the trim, you're also going to be having peace in mind. And do not worry if Nonsense Super Cleaner does get on paint. Just get a clean microfiber towel and go ahead and wipe it off. We always get that question on social media saying like, hey, I applied my tire dressing and it flung everywhere. Now, the reason why it might start flinging everywhere, it's not because the dressing's not working, it's more the prep process. And this goes for anything, whether you're cooking, you already want to have all your ingredients together. But look, just looking at that, all of that, to the eye, to the camera, it did not look dirty. But all of that filth and grime was actually stuck on this plastic piece. And now just by touching it, the piece feels a lot more smoother, a lot more cleaner, and it darkened it a little bit, but I want a little bit more protection on it because Nonsense Super Cleaner is not a protectant whatsoever. And this is why we went ahead and designed our brand new product, which is Rapid Black Trim and Plastic Restore, because we want something that's going to be super easy to apply, super generous, and we want it in a gel form. So this gel form is going to allow you to work it deep into the plastic piece, rejuvenate it, and it's also, one of my favorite things is it's going to repel water. I'll grab my blue tape, I'll apply it right about here. So after that, I'll just be grabbing my Rapid Black, remove my tape off to the side. I'm gonna grab my bottle, and then one thing I do want to show you guys is how this gel looks. So as soon as I apply it on here, look at this. A little bit goes a long way. 4 dime size drops. If you look at the bottle, it didn't even go down. A little bit goes a long way. Keep that in mind, guys. So after we have some onto my applicator, I'm gonna go to the plastic piece and I'm gonna just start rubbing it back and forth. Now, one thing I do want to mention to you guys is whenever you're working with this Rapid Black, you want to work it directly into the plastic. So what you don't want to do is just do this. No, you don't want to do this. What you want to do is grab your applicator and start working in your Rapid Black directly into your plastic piece. Whenever you work Rapid Black directly into a plastic, it's like you moisturizing your skin. You want to work it deep into the plastic piece. It's completely dry to a touch. It's not oily whatsoever. But look, just by me rubbing my fingers back and forth right here, it's completely dry to a touch. Now, if a dressing was not dry to a touch, obviously if I grab my fingers and I start going back and forth, you start seeing the dressing go over to that side. But no matter how hard I rub it, it is not gonna go to that side. I did go ahead and clean up this side. So let me just show you guys how fast it is to clean it up. Not clean it up, to apply Rapid Black. So get my blue tape. I'm just gonna be getting my microfiber applicator one more time. I am gonna be applying 4 dots one more time to my applicator. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots is all I need. Go back to my trim and just work it in. So right now, what I want you guys to do is go down below in the comment section and comment down what car that you own has raw trim. I want to see what kind of cars you guys drive. If I'm gonna be honest, the car that has the most trim that I own is going to be a 2005 GMC Sierra. It's my single cab, it's my daily driven car. But right now I'm driving a Prius. The Prius does not have that much trim, but on my 2005 GMC Sierra, I have touched it up with Rapid Black. I'm pretty sure you guys already have seen some social videos on it, but that's what my biggest project of dual trim pieces. Oh no, I lied. I actually do have a Ford Transit too. The Ford Transit, oh my God. So those two cars are going to be my projects to apply Rapid Black. But in the comment section down below, let us know what car you're restoring. And look, I'm just working it back and forth, deep into the plastic. I'm gonna grab my tape, remove it, and look at that. Look, dual and neglected, that's just shiny and protected. So guys, let me just go ahead and touch up a couple more trim pieces around this whole entire Jeep. I'm also going to touch up a couple of trim pieces on that Jeep over there. And then after that, guys, I'll show you guys the results after. Come on, let's go. I can't believe our camera guy does not believe we could restore this plastic piece right here. So, let's show him. And that's how simple it is to use our brand new Rapid Black trim and plastic restorer. Do not forget, guys, always clean the trim first with Nonsense Super Cleaner and a brush. Wipe that off, then protect it using Rapid Black. If you have dual neglected trims, this bottle is calling your name. Tap the link down below to get your bottle today, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys. I love you.